Hilary here at Valley GMC in Auburn, and I'm so excited that you are interested in this 2009 Ford F-350. It is a special truck because it's only had one previous owner. It's got a clean Carfax. It's only got about 127,000 miles. It's got the tinted window in the front to match the back. I mean, for a 2009, it is in really good shape. Take a look at the interior. It's got the sunroof. All right, so it has been through our full certified inspection. We did put brand new tires, 4 of them, on this truck. It got an alignment, and it is ready to go. Please call, text, email, come see me, Hilary, here at Valley GMC. I'm super excited to meet and work with you soon.